Moving on, last month, a 6-month-old baby was shot and killed at a home in Muskegon, and police say that she was not the intended target.
And today, that suspect bound over to circuit court. Our Lauren Edwards joining us now with a recap from today's hearing. Lauren.
Max, Janice, Fox 17 was in court in Muskegon as Julio Casiano was bound over for trial. However, the point of contention between the prosecution and the defense, what was actually said during the initial interviews, if Casiano asking for an attorney is admissible.
He asked you, can I have an attorney? And your testimony is that you answered affirmatively. You and Detective Hayes or Officer Hayes just kept right on asking questions. Is that right?
That is true, and then at some point, Detective Sergeant Hayes also reminded Julio that his Miranda rights apply later in the interview, and asked him if he understood and would keep on talking.
Suspect Julio Casiano appeared in Muskegon County Court for his preliminary hearing Monday. He's charged with murder for the shooting death of 6-month-old Adore Malone. The charges, count 1 was homicidal murder, count 2 lying to a police officer in a violent crime in an investigation. The fatal shooting happened on April 6 at a home on East Isabella Street. Investigators say the baby was not the intended target. However, Casiano's attorney Heath Lynch called into question what was said during the initial interviews of the investigation. Did he ask for an attorney? In which the attorney says he asked for one twice. The detective says he interpreted it differently and not as a question. This is what the judge had to say before binding him over for trial.
I want specificity because timing, the exact language used, the exact responses, that means something in terms of a hearing regarding the admissibility of an admission or a confession. I need to know the details. Not the, I'm not sures, I'm not sure the order, I don't know how much time, I don't know exactly what his response was. It has to be specifically examined. I also find on the issue of whether this was accidental or not, the fact that at least 18 different shell casings were found. It's tough for me as a finder of fact to say that you accidentally fire a gun 18 times.
Now, the judge also said that there were multiple false statements made and attempts to deceive police during the investigation regarding the window tint and of the vehicle, and that it was used in the shooting itself. Please stick with Fox 17 for updates. We will give you them as we get them. Reporting live here in the newsroom, Lauren Edwards, Fox 17 News.